This is your present from Grandma Mary. What is it? Is it a blanket? Is it a pillow? What is it? What is it? A coat. Ooh, it's got polka dots on it. Kind of pretty. You want to try it on? No. It's actually kind of cold today. And it's supposed to be cold tomorrow. Maybe you can wear it tomorrow. That's an advertisement. Alright, that's alright. That's alright. He can't hurt that. Come over here, Rosie. Alright, try it on. Look, they're supposed to be matching gloves. Oh, maybe they're in the bag.
He's a lizard.
Here, try it on. Things keeps going back in there. Let's see how it fits. That looks like a good fit. There we go. That's a good fit. And you still got a little extra space. So you'll be able to wear it in the winter time too. You're supposed to be some mittens with it, but I don't know. We'll have to look and see. Maybe James dropped them on the floor. Do you see him? Say thank you, Grandma Mary.
Thank you, Grandma Mary.
Say I love you.